I hear shots coming on the low from hoes I'm hiding. This attention is so flattering cause they admiring. Don't know what's on their mind, but it should be retirement.
Hey loves, and as you guys can see from the title below, this is going to be a Snapchat highly requested video, okay? Now, I snapped my phone the other day. If you guys can see, I do have the gold iPhone XS Max, 10X Max, XYZ, whatever you guys want to call it. I do have the gold one. You guys know I did have the silver one at first dropped, but it was giving me so many problems, so they upgraded a bitch, okay? So this is the gold one and the 256 gig. So you guys was asking me over and over again, like, did I go to a cell phone place and get it done? Did I install it at a different cell phone location? Did I take the back off? You guys were asking me so many questions. So I was like, you know what, let me just give y'all the tea. So this is a sticker, but it's more like, it feels like vinyl, like thick wallpaper on the back of my phone, and they call it the 24 karat sticker, and it was only $10. It was only $10 for the front and the back, and also this bumper piece. Not sure if you guys are going to be able to see it, but trust me, this camera is not going to do this any justice. If you follow me on Snapchat, y'all got the real tea because y'all was able to see it up close and personal. But this is how it looks, and then the side has like, I don't even know if you guys are going to be able to see it or not, but the side has like this gold blinged out case. As you guys can see, it's so pretty, it's so gorgeous. And a lot of you guys was asking me to do a video about it or tell you guys the information. So I'm like, you know what, a lot of you guys was asking me. So for everyone who was asking me on Snapchat and Instagram on my DM, I fucks with y'all. So I will have the link down below. This is not sponsored, anything like that. And I also say that when I'm showing you guys the installation portion of the video. So yes, I bought it with my own money, girl. It was just $10. So for $10, you get the front face, you get the back face, and you also get the blinged out bumper to go around the phone. It's super, super cute. It looks so much prettier in person. And I love it. It's just a really cute way to pimp out your phone so you don't look like everybody else walking around with the gold or the silver or the black or whatever. I feel like your phone is your signature, like, you know, little, I don't know what to call it, like, it represents you. And so I like to take care of my bitch because this is my bitch, okay? So yes, in the installation portion of the video, it was kind of hard for me to literally like put this on, so you guys will see little clips and stuff of me installing it and stuff like that. But like I said, it will be linked down below. I recommend you guys go ahead, pause the video, and go and purchase it if you want it, because last time when I did my case collection, everything sold out and I should have got paid. The fuck, like, free promotion, okay? So like I said, click the link down below. This video is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money. Also, they do have Android ones, so if you guys have an Android, because I do have the Galaxy S9 Plus, and I have it on my phone as well. So if you have Android or an iPhone, and if you don't even have to have like the newest iPhone, they have them for the iPhone X, they have them for the 8 Plus, they have them for the 7 Plus, and I'm not sure if they had them for the 6, but like I said, just click the link down below, and you guys will also see in the footage that they have them for men as well. I mean, to each his own, honey. They have black, red, blue, silver, and also in the video, you guys, I show you guys the silver one that I had ordered. It looks just like this, but it's in silver. And the reason I had got the silver one was because I had the silver phone. So first come, first serve. I will ship it out to you guys as soon as I can. By the time you guys see this video, it may be after Christmas. I'm not sure. We'll see, okay? But it will be after Christmas. But I still ship it, doesn't matter. It comes with this bumper as well. Like, I do have the bumper. Now, in the video footage of me installing it, I didn't show you guys the silver bumper, but it looks just like this. the rose gold one, but it's in silver. So you get the back silver plate, you get the front silver plate, and you also get the bumper. So it's whoever DMs me first on Instagram, it's gone. Like, I'm just gonna say, okay, send me your shipping information, and that's good to go. So enough rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you guys new to my channel, definitely don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a video, because y'all know we family over here and we like to ball on the budget. That's why I picked out 3 items and a case, the front and the back, for less than $10. How you doing? So I'm not sure if they ship internationally. You guys have to check and see. I know they ship to Texas. So how you doing? So let's just get into the installation of the phone. I'm showing you guys how to pimp out my phone and make it all cute and girly. You guys know I used to do this back in the gap when I first started doing YouTube, because y'all know I like anything bling. Hello. I had received these 2. This is the silver one, and I thought the silver one would look really good with my silver Max, but like I said, I took my silver one to a place and I sold it because it was giving me too many problems, and my husband just upgraded me to the gold Max 256 gig, but my silver one was only 64. So shout out to Bay. But yeah, I'm not gonna use this one. So if anyone watching this want me to just ship this out to them, if they have the silver one, I can definitely do that for you guys, because I'm not gonna use it. I don't want to just throw it away. So that's that. And it's the same thing in here that I'm going to show you guys. So I'm just going to show you guys what came in the package. This is not sponsored or anything like that. Also, when you order it, it's a 2-in-1 combo. I'll show you guys. So when you get your package, let me get it in frame. Because I do have the gold one, I just thought the rose gold color would look better on my phone, especially because it's already gold. So I did choose rose gold. But this is the installation stickers, and it's just stickers. It's called like a 24 karat glitter. I don't know. If you guys want to purchase this, I got it off of eBay. This case and the installation for the front and the back was only $9.99. And this is just a bumpered case. It looks just like this. Now, this is not a very protective phone case, but I do have the temper glass for the back of my phone coming in, so I'll put that on the back of my phone. But this is how it look at the top, and it's just really cute, really blinged out. I mean, I love anything glitter. Look at my nails, like glitter, bling. Yes, that's me. So I'm going to install it. Before I start, I want to show you guys how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to look just like this. As you guys can see, it's not going to focus. That's how the front is supposed to look, and that's the bumper case. Like I said, this was the color of my phone, but I don't have that phone anymore. So I thought that was really, really cute, really girly, right up my alley. So that's what we're going to be doing. If you don't want the gold like me or the silver like I have, you can always choose a different color. They have the bling back installation sticker along with like the red so that it matches perfectly. That red is so fire, but I just would not, I don't like red that much. So that's how it's supposed to look. I'm going to try to install this while I'm live, like, because this is an installation. So I'm just going to put this at the back because this is the last thing that we need. So I am just going to go ahead and open this up. This is how it looks. You guys want to see like that for the iPhone Max. And they have them for other iPhones as well. Don't be, you know, down if you don't have a Max. They do have it for the X. They have it for the XS and all that good jazz. Back face protective film. So yeah, it fits perfectly. So when you open it up, this is everything that comes with it. You guys can see. You do have like the little duster, but I'm not going to use that. I think I'm going to do the back first. If I can see, it's so hard to tell. You know what, you guys? I'm gonna try to do the front. And this is gonna be, you know what? No, I'm not. This is gonna be so hard to do behind the camera. This is very thick. The film is very, very thick. And the little apple piece came off. I'm not sure if it's supposed to come off or not. See, when I took it off, this little apple come off. Let me look and see, guys. And I'm not gonna like stop the camera, edit out or nothing like that. Let me look at the back. Okay, so the little apple is out the back. So, okay. We're gonna go ahead and just take it off. As you notice, the holes is perfect. So we're going to try to do this, you guys. I hope I get this right because I want to get it wrong behind the camera. I may have to take it out of the frame just a little bit. You know what? Let me pick it up so I can just see. Because I want it to be perfect. So it is on there perfectly. And even the little apple, little part at the top came out as well. You guys, this looks so... Oh my God, this camera doesn't know justice. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my God, you guys, look how gorgeous this is. It's perfect. All the cutouts are perfect. And this is really, really thick. It just goes on like vinyl, like thick vinyl. It says it's a sticker, but this is a very thick vinyl. Like, oh my God, look how... This is just gorgeous just like this. Like, in person, this looks so good. Oh my God. So I have aligned the top part up. So now I have to do around the edges that you guys can see. It took me maybe not a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and try to align it perfectly. Like, this looks so bomb. So I'm just going to show you guys. How it looks on the side, and it's on here perfectly. And then this, so I love the way this came out, you guys. It's so pretty, it's so girly. I love the glitter on the back. It's kind of like I'm not gonna say 3D, but you can feel it. It's very, very good quality for it to be just $10. And I do think $10 is a really good deal for this setup. This is their 24, I think it's a 24 karat rose gold. I think this is the rose gold bling one with the glitter back. I think this is just absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, they do have other colors if you guys want to check it out. I just wanted to install this on camera to show you guys how gorgeous this looks. I absolutely love how this turned out. So if you guys like how this turned out, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and turn on your notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post a video. And today's post notification shout out goes to Sean Preston. Thank you so much for turning on the notification bell, clicking subscribe, and putting done down in the comments. If you want to get a shout out, all you have to do is click the notification bell. Make sure you click that subscribe button and make sure you put done in the comments. That way I know you've done everything to get your shout out, and you will be shouted out in one of my next upcoming videos. I absolutely love this one. Like I said, if anyone wants to get the silver one, just hit me up on Instagram in a DM. First person DM me, the first person is going to get it. I'll ship it out as soon as. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comments below if you guys are going to purchase one to bling out your phone, because y'all know, you know, we love everything glitter, everything gold, everything bling out over here, okay, on a budget. So let me know. Don't forget to follow me, like I said, on Snapchat and Instagram. And I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys, bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody